You'll go to school today, sabi ni pwede.
Please, Mommy, I don't wanna go. No!
You go with them, they don't go to school.
Can you go to school today?
I don't want my jersey.
You like to come with them, but they don't
No! No! I was there with Baba. I was there with Mommy. I want to do it. I don't want to go with the Bajas. I just want to stay home.
What did you do to your face? What did you do to your face? It's a video. Can you tell Mommy what you did to your face?
I make up my face.
What did you use?
I used blush glitter.
Can you look at me?
Her horse is at her house.
So where did the unicorn come from?
It was at the beach.
Can you describe how it looked?
It looked brown and
Aren't
white.
unicorns white?
Yeah, some are brown.
I haven't seen a unicorn brown before. It's always white.
But I seen one.
Did they? Unsay mong ingon, ma'am? Ngano unsa dili ko mag?
Sige, anak, dili ko gusto.
Ano man, ma'am?
Storya.
Hey!
Can you say storya?
Storya ko.
Ngano storya?
Storya.
Store?
Storya.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Storya.
Storya. Kuya.
Unsay mong ingon, sir?
I said, I'm not a boy, I'm a girl.
Unsay mong ingon, ma'am?
Hoy, sir. Unsa ka na himo-himo? Gusto ko ana uno.
Maunsa?
Ana na mapuslit
Aray!
ana.
Uy, sa balaw.
Sa belly.
Bad na nabi, uy.
Unsa tayo gibuhat sa imong mami? Nagtulog-tulog? Nagatik-atik og tulog-tulog?
I remember when I put my finger in mommy's mouth
Why?
when she was sleeping.
That was so rude of you, Sab.
I don't know. That was so funny.
Lain lagi ka, Sab.
Why diniloin ko?
Ngano ka nag-ato kay mami?
Huh? I don't know.
Ano ni mo gibut sulod ang imong tudlo sa baba ni mami?
Tadlo?
Tudlo is finger.
Lain lagi ka, Sab.
Ano si Dido?
Lain lagi si Sab.
Sorry.
Ay, okay ra, oy. Unya, giusa pa man imong gihimo kay mami.
Your finger.
Ang tudlo,
Ang tudlo sa
gisulod nako.
nasulo. You opened your mouth and then my finger sulod in there.
Hala, lain na,
You
oy.
do on my finger lagi.
Sab, I have one more question. Did you wash your hands when you did that?
No. Mommy's laughing.
Ew.
Hala, lain na, pang-pang, uy.
Sorry.
Ikaw pa yung suko, ha?
Uy, dili sigana ana. Dili ko gusto. Dili ko ana.
Ganahan.
Ano, di mo kaganahan, bi?
Dili ana.
Ngano man dili ana?
Dili ko gusto. Ano ka ana.
Sige, nag-ana.
Ana. that?
Sorry, Daddy. I put your drink in there.
What drink?
That.
Okay. No worry.
Get up, please. Dadaw ka sa bote, nag-outing daw. Grabe na yung outing ni Bish. Yeah. Sorry. Sorry, Ate Gil. Sorry.
Okay ka lang, te? Nanghingo imong ipon? Napangag na ka? Nagdugo?
Sorry, Ate. Sorry, Ate. Pagkarong sa grabe, ha? Meron na ito. Wait, Ate Gil, I know what to do. Ate Gil, can you stop, please? I'm going to do...
Okay, so today is January 31, 2024, and this is the 5th day. And that Sab did not do and mommy.
Mom, don't say Dodo.
You don't like to do anymore?
Mom, don't...
It's okay, I'm not gonna show it to anyone. You wanna stop doing na?
Yeah, but just a little, Mom.
You still wanna do a little?
Yeah, because the Dodo sad.
Yeah, it's sad, but it's okay. I'll get used to you not doing because you're big already.
Uh-huh.
So it's okay with you that I won't let you do na, or you won't do na. You don't like to do on me anymore. It's your decision not to do anymore.
It's my decision to go sometimes.
Okay, I'll let you eat first before I ask you that question again. Okay, so here we are again. It's January 31, 2024, and it's been 4 or 5 days since Sab stopped doing on me. And here she is. I'm gonna ask her what about her thoughts on...
We are in the playroom.
Yep. Can you tell me, Sab, are you ready? Because it's been 4 or 5 days since you stopped doing on mom. Is it...
I'm ready.
You're ready to stop doing na?
Yeah, sometimes I can doodle because the doodle is sad a little.
Yeah, but it will get used to it. Like, it's okay. Because you're already big naman, Sab. What are you doing? What are you doing?
I kissed the doodle from the shirt.
Okay, so you don't want to do anymore?
I still want to doodle a little.
But, yeah.
How many times did I not doodle?
I think it's the 5th day. But it's it's just, what, 10 o'clock in the morning? I don't know, tonight. But maybe you won't doodle tonight because you did not doodle last night.
Yeah. Because it's the milk.
No more milk. Or daddy lets you drink warm milk.
Yeah, he does it when at the night.
Okay.
For help me sleep.
The face of the doll daw, be. Oh no!
It looks like an alien.
Oh, alien.
Grabe naman ang alien.
Gunting nga. Gunting nga na.
I don't know how.
Later na. Also hungry?
Really, I'm just a little. Just a little.
Mommy has some food. You can eat it, mommy.
Are you happy? Be. Are you with Lolo?
Stop, oh. Look. Okay.
Ah.
Why? Kasi gusto yung pa naman.
Good joke.
Joke daw.
Ha?
Gibawi na niya. That was a joke daw.
Ate Love is your favorite ate? Why?
She helps me with a
She's
lot of...
kind to you.
Yeah, she helps me with ice cream.
Uy, she loves with ice cream. She feed
Mo
you.
di favorite.
Yes. And even I paid her.
Gibayaran daw niya.
Ah.
I paid my ate.
Pero lagi nagkatulong sila sa ako niya. Gibayaran na apil kang lablin na
Gani.
kuwapot.